everyone, today's tutorial is making a mini-sized flower bouquet with the simplest flower design. We will use this 5-ply cotton yarn and also a 3.0mm hook. So, let's start! For the flower bouquet base, I will be using the blue cotton yarn first, but you can always use any other color that you like. to stuff your bouquet generously, okay? For the next part, you can also just decrease normally without the back loop only, but you must close the hole tightly later on so that the stuffing inside will be secured. Use a needle to close the hole tightly, and then after that just hide the leftover yarn inside the bouquet. Next, we will continue doing the front loop only for the bottom part of the bouquet. If you choose to decrease normally on the round 14, then you just have to continue doing the next round normally too. Now we will focus on doing the ruffle for the bouquet, and we will do on the front loop only of round 6. Once you're done with the ruffle, just use a needle and bring the leftover yarn to meet the other end of the leftover yarn. Tie them together and then hide them inside the bouquet. Now that the bouquet is done, let's move on and make the flowers. We will be using this several tones color of pink to make the flowers. So we will be using this autumn green colored yarn to make the leaves, which I forgot to mention in the beginning of this video, so I'm sorry for that. But let's make some leaves for the flowers. Now we will assemble everything using a glue gun or a hot gun. For the flower, you just have to roll from one end to the other end and then glue them together. This will give a shape almost like a rose. Oh, and do pay attention for the edges of the flower that you made earlier. Which edges will you make as the top part? For me, I will use the edges where the foundation chain is visible as the top part instead of the single crochet. Now just glue the flower onto the middle part of the leaf. Now the final part is just to glue all these flowers onto the bouquet. glue as much as you can onto the bouquet, so it will look very full and very adorable. Since this is a mini version of my flower bouquet, you can also add on a keychain ring so that it will become a keychain. And ta-da! Now you have your own mini bouquet flower. Congratulations!